In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom profile name. We all know how important it can be to have the right name displayed during virtual meetings, whether for work, school, or personal gatherings. Let's dive into the simple process of updating your profile name on Zoom. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Zoom account on a desktop or laptop. This process is easiest on a computer, so if you're using a mobile device, you might find the layout slightly different. Once you're logged in, you should be on the main dashboard, where you'll see various options for navigating your account. Start by directing your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. It might be a photo if you've uploaded one, or simply your initials against a colored background. Go ahead and give that profile icon a click. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Profile and click on it. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can see your current profile details, including your name, email, and other personal information associated with your Zoom account. Next, find the section labeled My Profile. Depending on how your Zoom interface is set up, this could be located on a menu to the left side of your screen or right under your personal information. When you see My Profile, select it. Now, you're in the right place to make those much needed changes. Now, keep an eye out for a little button that says Edit, located somewhere near your profile details. This is what will allow you to make adjustments to your information. When you find it, go ahead and click on Edit. At this stage, you're able to type directly into the name fields. Simply click on your current name, delete what's there, and enter the new name you'd like to use. This is your opportunity to make sure your display name reflects how you want to be seen by others in meetings. Whether you want to use your full name, initials, or perhaps a nickname, it's entirely up to you. After you've entered your new name, make sure to save your changes. There should be a Save button nearby, often at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this will confirm and update your new profile name. It's crucial to ensure you save these changes, as exiting without saving might lead to having to repeat the process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Zoom profile name. The next time you join a meeting, your updated display name should show up. If you're ever in need of another tutorial about Zoom or any other tech tips, be sure to come back and join us again. Until then, happy Zooming.